Thinking about buying a golf cart? With a variety of options available, it's crucial to know what to consider before making a decision. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you choose the right golf cart for your need. First, clarify your application. Are you using these carts for a golf course, residential community, or industrial site? Knowing your specific requirements will guide you in selecting the right model. Next, examine the chassis material. Aluminum chassis are lightweight and resistant to corrosion, making them preferable over iron, which can be heavier and rust-prone. Pay attention to the motor quality. Look for reputable AC motors. Avoid inferior quality options like BLDC or PSMS motors, as they can lead to poor performance and higher maintenance costs. Assess the body construction as well. Carts made from high-quality polymers or reinforced fiber will be more durable than those made from FRB materials. Don't overlook the controller quality. A good controller ensures smooth operation and responsive handling, essential for a positive user experience. Consider the service network of the seller. A robust service network means timely support when you need it most, from routine maintenance to repairs. Check customer reviews and feedback. Hearing from other buyers can provide valuable insights into the product's reliability and performance. Inquire about the availability of spare parts and what type of battery is used. Ensure it's a proper golf cart battery. Safety is critical. Look for features like EMD brake systems, seat belts, and high-quality windshields. Examine the tires as well. Ensure they are thick and designed for golf cart operations, rather than standard thinner tires, to enhance stability and safety. Ask about after-sales service, including any available annual maintenance contracts, AMC, warranty details, and delivery charges. By keeping these factors in mind, you can make an informed decision and choose the best golf cart for your needs. For more information on our high-quality golf carts, contact Speedigo today.